Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to hide watermarks on in-progress documents in BoldSign. A watermark is a text or image that appears in the background of a document to indicate its status. In BoldSign, the Enable Watermark for in-progress documents option is enabled by default. With this option enabled, watermarks are applied to documents that are still in progress. However, account administrators can disable the watermark for in-progress documents. Once this option is disabled, the watermark will be removed from downloaded documents for both the sender and the signer. Note that if a sender disables the Enable Watermark for in-progress documents option, all downloaded documents will be without a watermark, even if the recipients have the option enabled in their applications. In this application, the Enable Watermark for in-progress documents option is enabled by default, so all in-progress documents will have a watermark when downloaded. Let me now show you how this watermark appears on downloaded documents. I first log into my BoldSign account and expand the Documents option. I select my documents, which displays a list of all my documents. On this page, I locate the document that is still in progress, hover over it, and click the Context menu. From the list displayed, I select the Download Document option. The document is then downloaded successfully. Here is how the in-progress watermark appears. In BoldSign, the account admin can hide the watermark for in-progress documents sent from the organization account. Let me show you how to do that. On the BoldSign application page, I expand the Settings menu. A list of other options is displayed. I select the Business Profile option, which directs me to the Business Profile page. Only the account admin can access the business profile settings. Under the Settings tab, I scroll down to the Enable Watermark for in-progress documents option, disable it, and click the Save Changes button. Now the changes will be updated, and all the in-progress documents downloaded henceforth will not have the in-progress watermark. This is also applicable to document signers. Let me create a signature request and demonstrate how hiding the watermark works on the signer's side. I click the Create New button and select Create New Document. On the document preparation page, I browse the required document from my computer by clicking the Browse button. I then enter the recipient's details. When done, I click Next. On the Configure Field page, I drag and drop the required fields onto the document. Check the document once and click Send. The document is sent out for signature successfully. Let's switch to the signer's side and see how the watermark is hidden from the in-progress documents downloaded by the signers. The signer receives a signature request email. When I click the Review and Sign button in the signature request email, I am navigated to the document signing page. On this page, I need to download this in-progress document. To do this, I click the More Actions button. A list of options appears. I choose the Download Document option. The document is downloaded successfully. As you can see, the downloaded in-progress document has no watermark, allowing for a clear view of the document. This is all about how to hide watermarks for in-progress documents. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.